In this video, we're going to show you how to find or add nearby friends on Snapchat. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. First, open your Snapchat app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Scroll down and find the Snap Map section. Make sure Ghost Mode is turned off so others can see your location. Tap on Ghost Mode and toggle it off. Choose who can see your location, my friends, except, or only these friends. Select the option you prefer. Turn off Hide My Live Location so your friends can see your live location. Open the Snap Map to see your current location. Zoom out to find nearby friends on Snapchat. Tap on their account to add them as friends. You can see their snaps once they appear on the Snap Map. Tap on the settings icon at the top right. Make sure Ghost Mode and Hide My Live Location are turned off. Use Quick Share to share your live location with friends and add them to your friends list. That's it. Now you know how to find or add nearby friends on Snapchat using Snap Map. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.